Welcome to Genius Moms. This video is about the how to teach multiplication for kids. Let's go for the video.
Find out the answer for 5 into 3. What is the answer? You have to write here. 3. You have to show.
Here 5 shows number of objects in each group.
How many?
And 3 is for groups.
In a glass, 5 is there. Right here. 5. In one glass, it is 5. In this glass also, how much it is there?
This includes both activities and worksheets.
How much it is? 5.
You can choose whether to give activity or worksheets
it is
according to the age of the kids.
5, 5, 5, 3, 5. Very good. 4 into 2 is equal to how much? In a box, how much it is there?
Actually, my son will never get sit in one place.
8.
If I give like this type of activity, he will sit and
This
do.
one?
Otherwise, he will never sit for writing. And maths is very difficult to make understand kids. So by providing this type of activity, they will get understand very easily and they also enjoy while doing the activity.
For this activity, we can also use like this. 1, 2, 3, 7 are there. In one, it is there how much? In each bowl, it is there 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like this, we can do activities.
Here also in each sticks 8 beads are there. By using sticks and beads we can also do multiplication.
1, 2, 2.
This is a homemade DIY activity. I done it in a home to teach him a multiplication. This is very easy and simple way of teaching multiplication.
You need to keep this on a 3.
6.
If we introduce maths in early age so that the kids has more time to get understand. If you like my videos, please subscribe for my channels and click a bell icon.